When you're in court and you ask them about the nature and cause of the action, 99% of the time, the answer that they're going to give you is they're going to give you the cause of action. Like he's doing in this situation right here. Sir, you have your documentation in front of you. Okay, I don't see any paperwork. I request that the honorable judge direct the prosecutor to read the charges into the record. That's what you say like that. I haven't seen any charges. Who is the liable? Because then we're going to establish on the record who the liable party is. Right now, there's a presumption of liability. We need liability in fact, and that is the individual who's going to read the charges into the record. See how they act when you ask them to do that. See if the attorney doesn't remove himself from the case later on and they try to get somebody new to come in. You read those charges. They're going to always try to, inveigle you into accepting their explanation of the jurisdiction. And it's like, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I take exception to the honorable judge's explanation of the jurisdiction. Those are not the answers that I am seeking. The answer that I'm looking for, sir, is quite simply one of four things. Either we are dealing in a common law jurisdiction, an equity jurisdiction, a common law, admiralty maritime jurisdiction, sir. Now, for the record, would you please tell myself in this court, under which of these jurisdictions this court is trying this criminal action? And they come back and say, well, I'm not here to give you legal advice. You need to seek competent counsel to assist you with that. You come back and say, Your Honor, I'm not seeking legal advice. What I'm trying to make a determination of is your legal intent. Now, the Constitution for the United States of America grants me the right to know the nature and cause of any action, and it makes it incumbent upon you, sir, to provide me with that information. Now, would you please do your duty as someone who is sworn to take an oath in upholding the Constitution and tell me and this court, for the record, under which of these jurisdictions this court is trying this criminal action? And if they still refuse it, you say what he just said. I think it is important for the record to reflect that I have demanded of this court, under the authority of the Sixth Amendment, for the Constitution of the United States of America to reveal the nature and cause of this action. And the honorable judge has refused to provide me with that information and now seeks to try me under a secret jurisdiction, a secret criminal jurisdiction that's known only to the judge and the prosecutor, for the record.